tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Oh, guys, it is currently just after 8:30 here, Tuesday morning. Got some snow coming. It looks like a pretty eventful week here. Get going here. I gotta go pick up our van tire. The valve stem broke off of it. Literally, aluminum valve stem just snapped right off. So we're gonna go take a little drive, go pick it up here. It'll only take a couple minutes. Come back, throw that on so we can make a trip over to Cambridge and see if we can get a hold of my plow coil that I need, as well as a car seat that will fit in this regular cab a little bit better so my son can sit between us here, because my wife and I both plow snow, so we both gotta be out there. She shovels, I run the truck, and works out really slick. So we are off to Rum River Automotive. Let's go pick up this tire. All right, so here we are, Rum River Automotive. I'm gonna pick up my van tire quick, and we'll be back at home putting it on here in just a minute. Alrighty guys, so we're back at the house. I've decided to do a quick tire rotation on the van because the front tires are not nearly in the condition that I'd like for winter driving. The rear tires will be fine up front. They're front wheel drive, obviously. I'm gonna swap the two tires around and we're gonna call her good.
Hey, Daddy.
What's up, dude?
Look, dude. Oh, dude.
What?
Look, juice me, babe.
Oh.
There's one other thing you need help with the tools.
Oh, the tools. Well, while I have this tire off, I want to just rotate them. That was $80. Yeah. It's an $80 fix. So, for the two trucks needing all new tires here, ooh, those were like $1,100 for that one, $13 for the Chevy. So you're looking at $14. We almost got $2,500 in just our vehicle tires this year. So that is something to keep in mind when you're running a business. A little something that'll catch you off guard. You know, I get we run two trucks here. You wouldn't have to do that, but tires are getting really expensive now. And if you don't budget in for replacing or save for them, I mean, you could end up getting yourself into some trouble. So it's definitely a must to consider out front charging extra, because you're going to be putting a lot more miles on your vehicles than you would expect. So a lot more than if you're just driving to your job 15 minutes down the road or something. So okay, well, I totally messed that up. I had this whole thing in time lapse, but it was in time lapse photo, so I don't know. Maybe I'll put some pictures of us swapping these things around. But you can see these tires have a little bit left, and these ones have almost nothing left. So we got them rotated around. I had it in time-lapse photo, so no good there. Wasted a bunch of time moving this thing around for you guys, and it was in photo. I need to figure out if this thing is working. Would you go grab the Chevy keys?
Oh yeah.
I switched some wires around. The joys of being a YouTuber, right? You can do all this work and not get your shots. It's the part nobody sees, because we don't get it on camera. comes out of the center console.
Did it not blow it? What the heck? Was it, did it switch the up and down?
I did switch it. I thought it would for sure. I cut some zip ties off underneath here. There were some zip ties pulling on some of these wires, kind of holding them in place here. I don't know, I went through all the wires and I haven't seen anything crossing. I split this entire plastic tube, went through it, and there were no bare wires anywhere. I mean, I went through it down every wire. So I don't know if it's a coil or what.
That is super weird.
Whatever. We'll see. Maybe cutting the zip ties off fixed the problem. I'm not entirely sure. I guess we can try it. It's just a backup, you know. I could put up to a 20 amp fuse in there too. That might help. I don't know. It might still blow it though. And then I also have another controller I could try to use too. I have an extra controller for that truck, so. But it's got to be in the. I would assume it's in the plow, but we can try it, you know. Wouldn't be a waste of time by any means.
I guess the only thing you haven't changed is the controller.
Yeah, I haven't really used that other one. It has a piece of Velcro on the back of it that rubs on my hands. I think they had it there so they could stick it to the dash, but the old owner of that plow. But, yeah, that was a nice plow though. Treated me good for many years. All right, I'm gonna go throw some pants on. We'll go over there. Ah, that is much better. So we were having huge issues with the other seat being too bulky. So now we can have Wes in the middle here, and my wife can obviously get in and out easier to shovel this way. So just picked this seat up today. It was quite spendy, but it's a good quality seat. Looks like it's gonna do the trick. And I can see really well still. So that's nice. Good deal. New GoPro. We'll see if the footage is any better. That'll ride. Here you go, buddy.
Good job.
We need that for salt.
Yeah, you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm good. Here, can you hand that to Daddy?
We need that, bud. Please.
Here.
Alright, let's go. Come back, guy.
Careful, bud. No,
Daddy?
no, it's very doable.
Daddy?
This is nice.
Nice.
Finally got this figured out. Finally, I feel like we have a really good setup. Last year, like, my pet peeves were really like rubbing on the curb because the truck was too low. Got that fixed this year. Couldn't carry snow because we had a straight blade. Granted, I really do like the straight blade, but the V-plow is definitely the Swiss Army knives of snow plows, so it's all good. Yeah, and it's easy to drive with this car seat for sure.
Yeah, this is nice. What do you think? Pretty nice? Comfy? Yes. Yeah, baby.
Gonna go pick some salt up from the hardware store here, and then we're gonna go put her down. Maybe we could get some bucket lids and put some in those buckets too if they're still outside.
Yeah.
Because people like to throw cigs in there. And then I wonder if I didn't look to see if my ice chisel's in the back, but could chisel some of that apart too and cover it up, because that salt that's in there will collect water, you know, without lids on it and stuff. So
Yeah. I really usually bring them inside the door, so hopefully.
yeah, I could buy a couple of lids.
Yeah.
Hey, pick your head up, bud, while you're crossing the road. Ha! Why do people not care enough to keep their head up while they're crossing a road? That should be your #1 priority when you're a pedestrian. You should be I don't trust people. You'll never see me walking across a road. I don't care if it's a gravel road out in the middle of nowhere. I'm still gonna keep my head up when I'm crossing it. Go find salt. See, that's the stuff I bought. It's really, really huge.
Yeah.
I don't understand. But there's other stuff over here. Yeah, it's pretty good. Don't buy this one?
No, it's good.
Down to 7 below. Man, that's... oh, it's alright, I guess. Stuff is really expensive. There's the Husqvarnas.
Oh, yeah?
See, to me, it doesn't look like it's built as well down in this area.
Yeah.
And then I didn't really care for all this. Like, Toro's is...
Yeah, this is pretty cool. No, you can't ride this one. It's a drive like that, see?
That's super funny. Alright. Yeah, we can go over here. Throw 3 of these on. And then let's go see if we can find some lids. Ooh, that would be nice. Or I can.
Yeah, no, we can come with.
Where are you guys' 5-gallon buckets at?
Right over here.
Probably walked right by them. Oh. Thank you.
Cab, or do you want to go
Yeah, maybe they can go in behind the seat here. Because I don't know how many we're going to use. There we go.
at least one day, yeah.
Oh, for sure.
Here, let me get you.
I got it.
I'll put that thing
Looking forward to using that.
Cool.
smells funny?
What are you eating?
A cough drop.
Whoa.
Whoa, buddy.
No. Whoa.
Yeah, he's probably safe there.
For sure. Yeah, that works awesome.
Isn't that nice? This is so nice. This is so nice.
This is very nice.
What the heck?
Very nice.
Oh, I put your seat back probably a little too far. Sorry.
Yeah, it's alright.
You can totally drive and shift. That other one, the seat, the cup holders were literally like out to the shifter.
I know.
I couldn't do it. And it was rubbing on my shoulder. Like it would have been pushing on my shoulder.
You plowing?
No.
Oh no, he knows how to turn it on. No.
Oh, sorry.
I want to ride.
We don't play with the plow while we're driving. Do you wanna play with this? The tape measure? There we go. Yes. Yes, I do. He says yes.
Man, this place is a dump back here.
It does.
Good grief. Well, it's been windy too. Okay, here's the steps in the back. Did they salt those? No, they didn't. Go over along the building here and just pop it open and then go spread some. You could dump some in that bucket too if it's sitting out, and then put a lid on it. Grab a lid, and so grab a lid, grab the bag.
I want to go, Mommy.
Right, yeah, just grab one. Dump a little of that salt. Just keep track of it because we charge by the pound.
I want
So.
to go, Mommy. I want to go.
No, you have to stay in here with Dad.
Mommy, go.
Mommy, she's just gonna go out and put some salt down.
Yes.
Yeah, so people don't slip and fall.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Daddy's.
Look at Mommy. She's a strong mommy back there, huh?
Mommy,
Should we plow? Oh, I'm still in. We need to do this, otherwise we won't go anywhere. There we go. There we go. Hopefully we don't hit anything. Kind of hard to see like this, huh? Leslie? Boy.
Oh.
Crazy. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Boss. Boss, Daddy, boss.
Oh yeah, buddy. That should work.
Boss.
I don't know where the bucket is.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Why do they do that? I'm getting really tired of people taking those, so I don't know what's going on with them.
Yeah, like what the heck?
Well, I can do it too. Just help me load it up. Then you can follow me down. Well, yeah, that's dumb. I'll put some down. The bucket here needs to be filled. There's one in Napa. And then cigarettes. And then this one, if you could put a cover on it, that would be awesome.
The one outside here?
Yep, you can put some more in there too. It looks like they've been using it, so yeah. Oh man.
I just can't wait now.
Yeah, just wait until this evening. It's gonna all turn to snow.
Yeah. This is nice.
That-
What nice.
Yeah, that's when I'm really gonna have fun. Hey, you have a good day.
You should put lids on them so no one throws their freaking trash in there.
Hey, Mommy.
I know.
Next time we come, I'm putting signs on them that say no trash.
Yeah, I can't believe it's not common sense.
There's buckets here. I'll just throw my garbage in there. Better than throwing it on the ground.
Yeah, looks like people do that here too.
But no, it's not, because I'm not the garbage man, and it's not my job to clean it out of there. Throw away all your trash when you could have just found a garbage yourself? You look on their cigarettes in there? No. Okay, if you're gonna smoke, be responsible for your trash. So ridiculous. So that's what, 2 bags? 100 pounds?
Yep, 100 pounds. 100 pounds. Yeah, I don't understand. Just this whole, I mean, the pickup truck beds just got swamped with it all summer too. I mean, this is probably one of the worst years. I don't know if it's
windy.
because it was so windy or if people are getting lazier or what. But
Probably both.
yeah, it's probably a combination of the two.
Big. Big.
It's still pretty frustrating though.